Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to another wonderful and amazing recipe. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to perform a salt spell to bring back your eggs. Okay, this is a fast result spell that you can do with salt to have your eggs back into your life. Okay, if you want your eggs back into your life, this spell is something that you should try and practice by yourself. Okay, if he or she have not been communicating with you, if they have not been testing you, or another woman has taken them away from you, but you still love this person, you still have feelings for this person, you still want this person back into your life. Okay, you cannot feel happy without this person, you want this person back into your life. You can use salt to bring back them into your life. Okay, even if another woman is using charm or spell to keep them to themselves, once you do this recipe with salt, they are going to return back to you. Okay, it's going to overpower whatever spell they are using to hold them, and they will come back to you. Okay, so make sure that you're going to watch this video to the end as I will review to you how to perform this spell with salt. Okay, a lot of people don't know that salt is a very powerful item. We often know that it is used to cook. Okay, so people don't know that it is used for spiritual work, it is used for cleansing, if it is used for so many things when it comes to spiritual work or assignment, whichever one you call it. Okay, so if you want to bring back your eggs, you can do that with salt. Okay, this is another method, okay, that you can do to bring back your eggs. Now you need to get a salt. Okay, yes, you need to get a salt. It can be sea salt, it can be normal cooking salt. Okay, it can be sea salt, it can be the other type of salt, okay, that is in powdered form. All right, so when you get this salt now, you need to hold it. Okay, and get a piece of pepper and a red marker. Okay, get a piece of paper and a red marker. Now when you get a piece of paper and red marker, you are going to write the name of that person that you want him or her to come back into your life. Okay, that's your ex. If you want them back, you write their name. Let me show you as an example. Okay, you write their name first. I don't know if you can see it, the light is so bright. Okay, you write the name on the white piece of paper. Okay, and under it you write your own name. Okay, you write your own name. If you can see this very well. Oh, the light is so bright. Okay, okay, you write the name of your ex, and under it you write your own name. Okay, now after writing the two names on the white piece of paper, then you pick up that salt. Okay, when you pick up that salt, you open it. Okay, and add a little of that salt on top of that name. Okay, and after pouring the salt on that top, on that white piece of paper that you have written the name of that your eggs and yours, you are going to call the name of that your eggs 3 times. Remember, don't exceed 3 times. Call the name of that your eggs 3 times and say your request that you want him or her back, okay, so fast into your life that whatever spell or charm someone is using to hold them or to keep them to themselves, that today, as you are carrying out this spiritual recipe, that let them come back to you. Okay, that let the universe bring them back to you. You say your mind, you say your request. Okay, now after saying your mind and your request, you are going to fold that white piece of paper towards you. Don't fold it outside. Okay, fold it towards you. Right, you fold it towards you like this. Okay, now after folding the paper towards you, another thing that you should get is an egg. Okay, you need to get an egg, just one egg like this. Okay, and when you get the egg, you are going to speak the same request that you have made with the white piece of paper, that today you are calling them back into your life. Let them come back into your life. Okay, that whatever spell, whatever charm that anybody is using to hold them, let it be broken as you are about to break the egg. Okay, now after saying your words, after making your request, okay, you use that egg and wave on that white piece of paper. 3 good times. Okay, remember, you are going to wave it on that white piece of paper 3 good times. Okay, and now you go out, look for a road that has 4 directions, that leads to 4 different places. Okay, you look for a road that leads to 4 different places, then you go there and break the egg. Okay, you go there and break the egg. You can break the egg at night, you can break it very early in the morning. Okay, you can break it at night, you can break it very early in the morning. Now when you break this egg now, it's going to break anything spell or anything spiritual work or any charm somebody is using to hold your eggs. Okay, it's using to hold your eggs, it's using to, take your eggs away from you. Now after breaking that egg, the next item that you should keep safe is the piece of paper that you have added the salt. Keep it somewhere safe inside your house. You can keep it under your pillow, you can keep it anywhere in your wardrobe, you can keep it inside your bag. Okay, once you have finished doing this assignment and you have this at home with your name and his name in the white piece of paper, watch out how they are going to reach out to you. Okay, watch out how they are going to reach out to you. You may be surprised, you may not understand how this thing is going to work so fast. You may be surprised that a day or more than 2 days, or even before 3 to 4 days, they may be reaching out to you. Okay, they may be reaching out to you, they may be testing you, or they may be calling you. Okay, this spell is something that will work so fast with salt. Okay, any type of salt. With salt, just do it the way I directed you in this video. You see that your eggs that somebody has taken away from you, or somebody is using spell or charm to keep to themselves, they are going to return back to you, because that spell will be broken, that spiritual work will be destroyed. They are going to come back to you. Okay, so make sure that you are going to practice this recipe. Okay, your eggs is going to come back so fast to you. Alright, if you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, you can use the comment section. If you do not understand any part of it, you can use the comment section, okay, so that I will explain it more better for you. And if you want to make spiritual connotation, that's checking or reading, you can chat me up on my WhatsApp, so I will help you in doing that. But there is a fee for that. Okay, yes, so make sure that you do this recipe and you will have your eggs back. Okay, so try and carry out this recipe and you'll see how it works. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.